Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Summary of factors of production for objective type papers. From Principles of Economics. Marginal productivity theory, where reward of each factor of production is given according to the factor's value of marginal productivity. Payment of the reward to the factors of production is called as factor pricing. According to the factors pricing, land gets rent, labor gets wages, capital gets interest rate, and organization gets profit or have to face loss. Marginal productivity theory states that under static conditions, every factor, including the entrepreneur, would get remuneration equal to its marginal product. The value of marginal productivity is obtained by multiplying the price and marginal physical production of the labor. Accordingly, VMP is equal to MPPL into P. According to J.M. Keynes, interest is the reward for parting with liquidity for a specified period. Liquidity preference refers to the demand for money in the form of liquidity. According to the modern theory of factor pricing, the equilibrium price or reward of the factor is determined with the help of demand and supply of a factor. The equilibrium wage rate is that wage rate at which demand for labor and supply of labor are equal. The total amount of money earned by a labor during a certain period of time is called nominal wages. If nominal wages are adjusted for inflation, then it is called by real wages. It includes money wages and other facilities. Unemployment is a situation where when a person is willing to work, able to work, but unable to find any job. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.